I didn't really edit that the way I wanted to, so you could watch that one. I don't care. Um, but yeah, this room I'm not gonna clean out today because it's something that I need to start a lot earlier in the day to do. Um, I mean it's midday. I probably could. Well, you know what? I'm gonna start. Not on this video, but I am going to start on it. And I will record one and show you all how it goes and trials and tribulations with it. This one's going to take a few days because this is my house. I can take a while. If I'm at somebody else's house and I'm doing a room or organizing closet, I try to get it done within like 2.5, 3 hours. Um, and usually I'm pretty good with it because it's usually just one room. Now, if it's like, excuse me, a room that has a ton and ton of stuff, I do get people to help so they can see what they have and what they like. Because if they don't like it, if they don't need it, then I mean, that's on them. But with organizing a closet, or organizing someone's home or room, they have to get down in the trenches with us. I mean, not to be a point where it's like they clean up everything, but they have to look at what they have because they might not even know that they have a bunch of stuff. You're like, so you have about four of the same thing, same color, same size, or different sizes. What size are you? Do you plan to go up in size? Do you plan to stay down in size? Do you plan to stay this size? So that's the stuff that I look for when I'm organizing a closet and stuff. So, organizing a room. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's look at this room again. Two mannequins. Why did I say one in the last thing? Um, these are little skeletons that I got from when I went to Los Cabos, Mexico. Um, books. That's a good book. Um, shoe racks. Fan. It's actually cool in this room. This my iron board. Another mannequin. So I have about three mannequins. And sometimes when I do showcases of what style is going on for the upcoming season, I like to put it on the mannequins to show people instead of just holding up or showing pictures. At least if it's on a mannequin, you can see it on a somewhat of a body shape of someone. Have sweaters on the floor, and also this closet is tiny. You see that? It's too, the person who lived here before me, they had someone specialized in their closets. I don't like that because it takes away space from people who have a lot of stuff. If you don't have a lot of stuff, yeah, this is perfect. But for me, no, it doesn't work. I have a lot of stuff, so it all works. It all has to go. That shelf gotta go. This Murphy bed is definitely going. I gotta see about getting somebody to come in to look over this stuff because I ain't having it. No, I'm tired. I really am. So changes are being made in this house, and I got a jewelry shelf. Little, yeah. I don't even use half this jewelry. I gotta start either selling it or giving away something. I don't need it. Half of the stuff I don't use. I wear mainly stud diamond earrings or cubic zirconian, depending on the day. These hoop earrings, a few tassels. So yeah, I don't wear too much. I don't even wear too many necklaces. I wear bracelets when I usually go out, but due to Miss Rona, not doing a whole lot of that stuff. And until they get it right, I'm gonna think twice of what I'm gonna be wearing now or what jewelry I'm wearing now. I'm just not a big jewelry person the older I've gotten. Then also dealing with a kid that likes to t- get in everything. I'm like, look, I'll just remove it. So yeah. So all right, I will post another video when I'm getting ready to organize this whole closet, this whole room, not closet, whole room. So all right, talk to y'all later.